YouTube channel. So ngayon, kakain kami sa labas guys. Samahan niyo ako mag-get ready with me. Ako mag-makeup. Balik ako guys. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
So guys, ito ngayon. Natin namin sila. So ito yung outfit ko. Update ko kayo guys pag nakalis na kami. Bye-bye. Yes, we are on our way now. So, may atos driving guys. So, update ko na lang kayo later. Bye-bye! We are here now at Vincula Road.
Few inches later.
We are here now at Ningnangan Restaurant. Did you see that? Ningnangan Restaurant. This is my ate. That's my niece. Look, she's so beautiful.
Oh my God! Wow!
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Yes po, may menu kami ma'am. Where's the menu? Nasaan dito?
339 po. Isa.
Say hi! Aww. Sobrang dami.
Tapos buttered garlic.
Oh, hindi. Pata na. Price. Magkano daw ganito?
Depende sa grams niya, ma'am.
Ang minimum niya. Let's say hi to my vlog.
89, kada 100 grams.
Camera picture. What? hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. That's my kuya, guys. It's so kulit. Nai-stress na yung mama ko. Charis. That's my mom. Say hi. Ayan sila, guys. O, diba, guys? Ang sarap. Ang sarap, oh. Okay, guys. We are all eating na.
2 hours later.
Gusto niyo pa ba? Lagi si Princess nakapwesto sa Hi! Gusto ako kumain. So guys, mag-retouch na. Mag-lipstick lang. Kain na naman. Yes, para na yung unang tongtong ko ng lemon. May nang. May 21. Ah, 20. May yun unang nakabangka kami nila dyan. Guys, we will go home na. Yan yung e-bike namin. Sinasakyan namin.
Eternity later.
Guys, pauwi na kami and dito na din nagtatapos ang aking vlog. So, please